Hey everyone! I'm going to show you how to add shadows to Canva in this video. It's a simple trick that can really give your designs some extra depth and make them look more polished. Let's jump right in. I'll cover adding shadows to both your images and text, starting with images. First, you need to create your design. Just hit that Create button in the top left corner. For this example, I'm picking a YouTube thumbnail size. Okay, let's add an image. I'm using a photo of a person. A quick tip: if you're on the free plan, try finding an image with no background or transparent background. If you have Canva Pro, you can easily remove the background yourself. Once your image is placed, click on it to select it. Then, look for the Edit Image button and click that. Over on the left-hand side, under the Effects section, you'll see the Shadows option. Go ahead and click that. You'll get a bunch of different shadow styles to choose from: glow, drop, outline, curve, page lift, angled, and backdrop. Each one has its own little controls. Like with glow, you can change the size and how blurry it is. With a backdrop, you can adjust the blur and which direction it comes from. For now, I'll pick the drop shadow. It gives a nice, simple free pop eye. After you apply it, you can really dial it in. Make the blur bigger to soften the shadow, change the angle and distance to shift where it falls, and mess with the color or how strong it looks to get exactly the effect you want. Oh, and the cool thing is, you can use these shadow effects on other graphics too, not just photos. Finally, let's add a shadow to some text. Click the T icon to add a text box from the left-hand menu. Type your text, maybe make it bigger or pick a different font if you like. Then, with the text selected, look up at the top menu bar for effects. Click that and choose the shadow style. You've got the same controls here too: blur, angle, transparency, color. So just play around until your text looks just right. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to add shadows to images, elements, and text in Canva. If this video helped you out, giving it a like and subscribing to my channel would mean a lot. Drop a like in the comments too, so I can personally say thanks. Thanks so much for watching.